How to find shortcut settings on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find shortcut settings. It's easy, just go to Truecaller and then click on your profile here, and now click this settings icon and then click general, and now scroll down, and here we'll find the shortcut settings. Here you can add messages shortcut to home, or you can add the contact shortcut to your home. And that's it. Don't forget like. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.